Hi guys, I've got the new Fitbit Charge 3 Advanced Fitness Tracker. And this is the latest tracker, what released 8th of October 2018. As you can see, it's got a new stylish band. It looks like diamondy and it just looks more premium. The watch itself feels more luxury and the screen feels much bigger. With this, I've got a new screen protector by Ragetorc for the Fitbit Charge 3. So I'm going to apply the screen protector on the device and show you how it looks. As you can see, it tells you what to do, all the instructions, and this is the front packaging of it. So let's take out the Ragetorc screen protector. So what comes inside it? You get the actual screen protector, you get the dust stickers, you get the cleaning wipes, and you get this cloth to clean the screen. So let's start off with removing this packaging. So you can see it's got a front and a back. Okay, so firstly you start off with these cleaning wipes, alcohol wipes. So let's clean the front of the screen. So when you're applying the screen, make sure you follow the same instructions as me. So you can see the screen. I'm going to clean it with this alcohol wipe. So the front of the screen is nice and clean now, it's shiny. Use this to clean the front. And then use this dust absorber to remove any excess dust. So I've removed all the excess dust from all around the screen. And now it's time to apply this screen. So the back goes on the back and the front stays on the front. So let's remove the back. So you're going to stick this, line it up carefully. So we line it up here. Just line up carefully, look. Remove any excess here. So if you see any bubbles or anything, just push it out. And then you remove the front as well, as you can see. And the screen protector is there. So you just push out all the air bubbles. And if it doesn't come out, it will come out over time. That's the video for the Ragetorc screen protector. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please put a thumbs up, leave a comment. Thank you. Bye.